In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Venmo, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to transfer money from PayPal to Venmo, first open the PayPal app and log in to your account. Next, tap on the Payments section at the bottom of the screen. After that, scroll down to More Options and look for the option that says Send to Venmo. Before sending money, you need to activate Visa Plus. Tap on the option and agree to activate your Visa Plus account. Once it is activated, your Visa Plus username will be created for your PayPal account. Now, open the Venmo app and copy your Venmo Visa Plus username. Then go back to the PayPal app, tap Send, and paste the Venmo Visa Plus username in the search bar. Next, tap Next, enter the amount of money you want to send, and choose Friends and Family if needed. After reviewing the details, tap Send to complete the transfer. The money will be sent from PayPal to your Venmo account, and it may take a few minutes for the transfer to appear in your Venmo balance. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.